What's going on, everybody? Joe here with the Try Booth by Bookable. This is a really cool, interesting, innovative product that's basically, it comes in a luggage and it pops up in like 10 minutes or less. It's super easy to put together. These walls are all moving blanket style things that are double walled and will acoustically help your sound. It turns your space dead like that. Now, this is not for isolation, this is for absorption. It's gonna make this space a viable place to record broadcast quality audio. You got a place for your microphone, you got a place for your script, you got a place for your drinks. Now, this part of the demo is gonna have two parts. First, you're gonna hear untreated audio. It's gonna be audio that I have recorded in this room, which is pretty live, with all this fabric taken down. Then I'm gonna show you the same piece of recording with the same copy and the same microphone setup inside here with all the flaps, and you're gonna hear the difference.
Your mornings used to look like this. They used to sound like this. But now that you've got mashup, your mornings sound like this. You're in luck. You've got just the right ingredients to make a green monster smoothie. Start by adding a cup of baby spinach. Your mornings used to look like this. They used to sound like this. But now that you've got the mashup, your mornings sound like this. You're in luck. You've got just the right ingredients to make a green monster smoothie. Start by adding a cup of baby spinach.
That's it. It's a pretty cool, viable solution if you want something in between tacking, egg carton stuff to your wall and getting actually a professional booth. And if you look in the description below or wherever you found this video, you can find a discount link just for watching. Thanks so much, guys. I hope the Try Booth works for you. See you next time.